Hey guys, I want to welcome everybody back to the channel where it's all about racing. Today you're going to have a really neat look at this rather unique plaid liveried Pfaff Motorsports 2024 McLaren 720S GT3 EVO made by TSM in 1/43 scale. Now this car comes as mentioned on this white plastic base. You've got the acrylic jewel cover, you've got the TSM IMSA themed box, all for one nice little neat little package. Very, very sharp, very impressive. It seems that TSM is now the exclusive model supplier for the IMSA WeatherTech series. If you're a McLaren or a collecting fan, this one car that you've got to have. This is brought to you by Pfaff Motorsports, that Toronto-based sports car racing team founded by the Pfaff Automotive Partners in 1964. Chris Pfaff assumed control from his father, Hans J. Pfaff, in 1986 and ran a Porsche 944 in the inaugural Rothmans Porsche Challenge. You have seen that car. I have done a review of it. In 2018, the team competed in the Pirelli World Challenge with support from Porsche, and in 2019 moved up to IMSA. Now, the plaid livery started as a joke in the workshop, but has been a trademark of the team ever since. I have several of the Pfaff cars in my collection. This McLaren is certainly different from the other Porsches that I have. Now, 2024 the team switched to McLaren, campaigning the 720S EVO in the GTD Pro Class. And how do we know it's GTD Pro Class and IMSA WeatherTech series? You have got that red number banner on the side of the car. You have the red mirrors. You have the red end plates of the windshield banner, and the end plates of the rear wing are red. Folks, this is all mandated by IMSA. All the GTD Pro cars look like it regardless of their livery. It just happens to be a perfect match with this red and black plaid livery that you see here. Now, the drivers of this car were Oliver Jarvis from UK, FI Platinum, and Marvin Kirschover, FI Platinum from Germany. Now, here's a great look at the car from the other side. Now, Pfaff Automotive Group is the official importer for McLaren in Canada and owns dealerships in Toronto and Vancouver. Driveway.com has a global footprint with the UK brand and owns several McLaren dealerships in the US and UK. You can see why they tried McLaren for the 2024 year. However, despite the big reveal, and the relationship with McLaren did not go well or go long. This car lasted a single season, yes. And in 2025, the team switched to Lamborghini Huracan GT3 EVO, again with factory support from the Lamborghini folks. Now, this gorgeous car has all the detail and all the precision that you would expect from a manufacturer such as TSM or True Scale Models. The front of the car is absolutely spectacular. Really good-looking grille work. I love the front splitter and the dive planes that you have. The mirrors are really sharp as they sweep out. And as you take a look at this car, and I'm going to zoom in on the wheels real quick, because the wheels and the tires are just spectacular. You see the Michelin Pilot Sport there. You've got the black wheel, the silver rotor, brake calipers, the number panel as we move down the length of the car. You also see the leader light there. That's the 8.8, which is usually lit up, telling you what place the car is currently in the running order. Good look at the cabin. And there's just a really cool shot of the car from the side. Now guys, with the McLaren being a mid-engine car, of course in the front you're going to have that massive radiator that you see. There's really good detail in the cockpit that you can see here. As I scroll down, there's all your various antennas and the pitot tube mounted on the top of the cockpit. You see the names of all our curves. Then as you get to the back, you see an air vent for the engine, and you can actually get a little look into some of the engine there. Not much, unfortunately. I wish you could see more. Canadian Tire you see on top of the rear wing. And as we go down to the bottom of the car, there is the real money shot. Absolutely gorgeous rear bodywork by McLaren. I mean, you absolutely have to love this. Just take a look at that massive rear wing on these GT3 cars. You've got that diffuser. You see the exhaust pipes. You see the McLaren logo, GTD Pro, McLaren Pfaff. All just really impressively done. Really neat car. And guys, there's your money shot from the rear looking front. You gotta just love this car if you can just get over that entire livery totally in plaid. Well guys, that's gonna wrap this up. Hope you've enjoyed this. Hope you had a great Christmas. See you next year in January. Take care.